Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 2chomps. There is no rules. AppleBee's edition. These are the chicken wonton tacos for an appetizer. We get straight to the chopping early. I didn't realize there was going to be this much. I would have probably just got this as an entree. Chicken wonton tacos, coleslaw, I like that. The chicken and these little crunchy taco shells. Two chomps, there's no rules. Chicken wonton tacos, 2chomps, it's out of 5. I like these. I like the coleslaw. I like how crunchy the shell is. I like the pico or whatever that is. We'll give these a 4. Well done on the wonton chicken tacos. Take it a 4. Welcome back to 2chomps, ladies and gentlemen. AppleBee's edition. We're at AppleBee's. We got the chicken bacon Alfredo pasta today with the cheese and broccoli. I'll tell you this. Looks a little mush. And, folks, what I mean by mush is, it looks a little phony. Not as good as it should be. No napkins in this bitch. This bread looks burnt. Feels harder than a goddamn lid. So, can I get some napkins? Oh, thanks, you're the man. Full box for a minute. Later, 2chomps, you know the rules. Let's get a bite before it gets cold. Temperature's not bad. I'm not eating all that. Hopefully it brings out my napkins. 2chomps, there's no rules. Chicken and broccoli and Alfredo. The chicken wonton tacos were better. The wonton tacos were better. I'm not even gonna bite that bread. It's fucking hard rock. Garlic bread's supposed to go with your chicken and broccoli Alfredo. This place has a lot of issues. This AppleBee's place, it's ran terrible. We were here the other night with Hami and them. It's terrible. It took me forever to get served. This guy's out in the back having a smoke. That's all I'm eating for now. I just wanted to get a couple chomps in. Thought it might be more appetizing than this. Chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna give it 1. It's lunch. It's not that many people here. Should be a little bit hotter than that. My bread was terrible. Chicken wonton tacos. I mean, the chicken's okay, I guess. Not something I'd recommend. AppleBee's, I'm disappointed in you once again. The chicken pasta Alfredo, we're going to give it 1. I'm literally going to run out of here. Should I run out of here? I mean, I already paid. But I asked for a box, and I don't want to take this home. Should I box it up for him? We're gonna box this up. You out there, little Lemmy? You would like this for a little snack. It's kind of hard. That bitch is hard as fuck. The chicken is, we'll get a little small bite. Still got a 1. Oh, I feel sick now. I'm literally going outside and I'm throwing this out outside. This has been 2chomps, AppleBee's edition. We will be back because we got other items on this menu to tackle. We will tackle the service. We will point out everything we see because we are 2chomps. There is no rules.